Want a look of a big full braid without actually braiding? This pull-through braid is made entirely with elastics. I'll walk you through every step and show you a few tricks to build more volume and make it last longer. Let's start with a high ponytail. For a more polished look, wrap a small section of hair around the elastic. I'll link my quick tutorial in the description. Now divide the ponytail horizontally into 2 even sections. Lift the top section out of the way for now, and split the bottom section right down the middle into 2 equal pieces. If you have any frizz or flyaways, smooth a little styling cream over the hair. That will give you better control and help keep everything neat while you work. Now bring the top section down through the middle, right between those 2 pieces. Then bring the 2 outside pieces up and over the top section, join them in front, and secure them with a small elastic. Wrap the elastic just twice, so the section stays loose enough to open up and shape. Now it's time to pancake this section and add volume. For extra grip, you can use a little volumizing powder or texture spray. Then gently pull out the outer edges. Take your time. Use a small gentle pulse instead of pulling the whole loop at once. Keep going little by little until you're happy with the shape and volume. Every hair has its own texture and natural fullness. The goal is simply to get the most volume your hair can give you. The elastics help hold that volume in place, which makes this style a great option for finer hair. Now repeat the same steps. Lift the top section out of the way, then split the bottom section in half. Gently brush through the hair as you go. It helps prevent tangles and keep the finished braid smooth. Bring the top section down through the middle. Then bring the 2 outside pieces up and over it, join them in front, and secure them with an elastic. Now gently pull out the edges to add volume. Repeat the same steps all the way down. Split the bottom section in half. Bring the top section through the middle. Wrap the 2 sides over the top section and secure them with an elastic. Then pull out the edges to add volume. As you go, check the sections above and give any flat spots another gentle pull. That will keep the whole braid looking full and even. Once you reach the end, secure the last section a little differently. When you tie the final 2 side pieces together, include the remaining section in the same elastic. This helps the final loop match the shape of the sections above it. Then pull out the edges one last time and adjust any spots that need a little more volume. Don't forget to check out the other braid tutorials linked on the screen and in the description. And here's the finished look, a full voluminous pull-through braid with no traditional braiding needed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe for more easy hairstyles. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.